Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a Canva account on iPhone step by step 2025. First, if you don't have an account yet you are missing out on designing like a pro, download the Canva app from the App Store and open it. Tap sign up and enter your email or use Google or Apple ID for faster sign up. If you use email, click on use email and then start typing in your email account. Click continue, and then this, if you want to change your name, or if you can just go with the name that Canva chose for you, then go ahead and check your email. And then if you have not got the code, try to refresh the app. After you got the code, just type it in and that's it. Canva will log you in and you will have to do the following step that Canva will show you. Let's say you want to use Canva for non-profit charity, student, teacher, or professional. Let's say a student. And then what are you currently studying? Let's say secondary school, university, or college. And if you want, you can turn on notification, or if you don't want, then just turn it off. And that's it. This is how you guys can log in or sign up into your Canva account. Safety tip: use a unique password for Canva to protect your designs. Quick fix: if the app won't let you sign up, restart your iPhone and try again. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick Canva app fixes.